Today I'm sharing 4 super easy and delicious salad in a jar recipes that make for the perfect healthy lunch if you're always busy and on the go. Hey y'all, I'm Kayla, and many of my clients are always asking me for easy, healthy lunch ideas, and one of the main ones that I always suggest is salad in a jar recipes. Not only because they're easy to make and they're portable, but also because they'll actually stay fresh in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, so you can prep them in advance. And these salads are gluten-free, grain-free, dairy-free, and of course, paleo-friendly. All right, let's get started. First, we'll be making my paleo chef salad with creamy honey mustard dressing. You will need romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, chopped cucumber, chopped carrots, organic uncured ham and turkey, a boiled egg, and chopped walnuts. We're gonna add the honey mustard dressing to the jar first, and if you want the recipe for this dressing, I will link it for y'all in the description box below. Next, we're gonna add cherry tomatoes, chopped cucumber, chopped carrots, and I chopped the carrots in my food processor, chopped ham and turkey, the boiled egg, and let's stuff in as much romaine lettuce as possible. Then we're going to top it off with some chopped walnuts. Go ahead and secure the lid and store it in the refrigerator. And that's it, you have yourself a fresh paleo chef salad in a jar. And the next salad we're gonna make is my paleo plantain taco salad. For this one, you will need spinach, cherry tomatoes, purple onion, chopped bell pepper, plantain slices, and for the plantain, I just cut them into slices about a ½ inch thick, and then I cooked them in a skillet with some coconut oil until they were soft throughout and then slightly golden on each side. You'll also need some grass-fed ground beef that's already been cooked and seasoned with taco seasoning, avocado, fresh salsa, and some fresh cilantro. We're going to start by adding the salsa to the jar first. And by the way, you always want to add the items that have more liquid in them to the jar first. Then let's add the cherry tomatoes, followed by the purple onion, chopped bell pepper. Now we're going to layer the plantain slices. Let's add the avocado next. Then the grass-fed ground beef. And let's stuff it with as much spinach as possible. Then I'm gonna top it off with some fresh cilantro. Go ahead and secure the lid and store it in the refrigerator. I mean, seriously, y'all, how good does this taco salad look? And next up, we have my apple pecan chicken salad. So for the dressing, I'm going to be using the Primal Kitchen ranch dressing, which is one of my absolute favorites. It's paleo friendly, dairy free, all that good stuff. But if you want to make your own, I also have a homemade ranch dressing, and I'll link it for y'all in the description box below. Okay, so for the salad, you will need romaine lettuce, chopped cucumber, purple onion, chopped celery, an apple, grapes, grilled chicken that's already been seasoned and baked, and chopped pecans. We're going to start by adding the ranch dressing to the jar first. Then let's add the chopped cucumber, the chopped celery, purple onion, chopped apple, sliced grapes, grilled chicken, and let's stuff it with as much romaine lettuce as possible. Then we're going to top it off with the chopped pecans. Now we're going to secure the lid and store it in the refrigerator. Now this salad recipe is so light and refreshing, and it's especially good during the summer months. And the last recipe is my summer detox chopped salad. So we're going to start by making the dressing. In a small jar, I'm adding some olive oil, lemon juice, fresh ginger, Dijon mustard, and raw honey. Let's give it a good shake to mix it all up, and then we're going to set the dressing aside. For the salad, you will need chopped purple cabbage, chopped broccoli, chopped kale, chopped carrots, fresh parsley, raw cashews, and raw pumpkin seeds. Let's start by adding the dressing to the jar first. Then I'm going to add the chopped carrots, the chopped broccoli, the chopped cabbage, chopped kale, raw cashews, the pumpkin seeds, and some fresh parsley. Go ahead and secure the lid and store it in the refrigerator. This salad is super detoxifying, and it serves as a great salad recipe when you're trying to speed up your weight loss results. Well, that is it for today's video. If you guys want me to share more easy, healthy lunch ideas, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and content. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.